Guys, I'm just probably proud for. I don't. I just trying to get an episode out today. And so overworked. I'm just gonna cut the part. From mom. Salty. Yes, driver. Mavis is going to go down to the work for a while, so the fact of Floor wants you to run Farquhar Quarry until she get back later tonight. Okay, me hearties. As Salty basically left Brendan Dock behind. Now, I had a plan with that conversation between Rosie and Mavis, but I had to cut it because of how many times I've had to re-record in one episode. So, Salty at least saw more of the island than really he knew about. Now, yeah, I will cut out the part of him going up the main line to Thomas and Branch line. As Salty Alley got closer to the... It took him half the day to get from Brendan Dock. It took him like, what, 40, half an hour? And also, guys, somehow the buttons on my keyboard that I used to pause, stop the recording, start the recording, pause, and stop, have all been reconfigured somehow. And I might try to once again reconfigure the button for tomorrow's episode. And no, I won't show Atlee Salty going all the way up to the branch. Because it, what, take like, what, half an hour or something along those lines? It take like, what, a half an hour or something? Then, and not like something like the Tom of the Branch one. And Salty said, don't take, I guess I can say really. Oh no, Salty's on this track, and Thomas would take that track, I don't even think. Excuse me, Rosie, is it? Uh-huh. Which way to the far quarry? Because I'm here to help out, you mateys. That way, Salty. Just follow the track to, what? No, Salty, what? Mavis doesn't go that way when she go back around. That's the line that Thomas takes every single day. Oh, me hearty, I understand. The Cinnamon not used to friends like us down the branch. As the Cinnamon was out like, Achoo! Let me guess, that where Thomas is stopped? A Salty went west of the junction right there at Farquhar. And then the track he was on didn't go anywhere near where Thomas would go with Annie and Clarabelle. He went up and over the ditch, which was no problem for an engine like him. But as you can see in Nefwe's story, the reason why I added the ditch is not a part of Soto, just in case. Now I'm gonna have Salty try to be. I'm gonna have Salty. Man. Man, it's so far up. That's Salty. No wonder maybe it might need a break. But anyway, she will be back by sundown. Down. I want to get this place ship-shape and seaworthy, said Salt. Okay? I better get this place ship-shape and seaworthy. As Salty spent the next 2 hours shunting and maybe returned from the words. Which, yes, I will remake the video. You know, or what I did at the start of the season. I will use only this in my original audio recordings. And maybe it felt better. And maybe it felt 100% better. And she no longer was sick. She was so happy. But she would get worried. I'm worried something, said Mavis to her driver. I wonder how much meth Salty made. But then I would tell Salty that he can go back down to Brenham Dock. If he wants to stay the night, so be it. But if he wants to get out of a quarry, and maybe Mavis will worry what lay beyond. And also, guys, I removed a lot of parts that I wanted in this episode. I might re-record on Thursday. Salty. Okay. Army Mavis, we maintain. Mavis said in these words, I thought the far part, it was a good buffer, but can you take over? I want to go back, because I remember something. What? There's a big ship coming into port tomorrow, and I want to help out. As Salty then left Mavis alone at the Farquhar quarry. To go back home to a real home at Brenham Dock. Episode was really fun and great. So let's look back on what the characters did this episode. And also, guys, I will say at the end of the season, I will say look back at the characters and what they did this particular season.